again, welcome to our channel Midnight Chime. So for our English Cantonese tutorial for today, we will take up fruit terms in Cantonese. So fruits in Cantonese is 水果, apple, bingo, banana, 香蕉, watermelon, 西瓜, grapefruit, 西柚, grapes, poto, melon, 麥瓜, pineapple, bolo, cherry, 車厘子, orange, 橙, peach, toe, strawberry, seto belly, kiwi, 奇異果, mango, 芒果, pears, belly, blueberry, 藍莓, durian, 榴蓮, mangosteen, 山椒, dragon fruit, 火龍果, lychee, coconut, 椰子, guava, 番石榴, velvet apple or mabolo, tea, pomelo, 綠柚, papaya, 木瓜, pomegranate, 塞榴, rambutan, 番桂荔枝, avocado, 柚油果, and jackfruit, 榴蓮. So that's all for the fruits terms in Cantonese. So for more updates, please click the notification, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and see you again next time. Bye bye.